Welcome back to Road Kings Vehicles. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest new entries in the world of extreme overland travel, the 2026 Urban Tank 6x6 Camper Motorhome. If the name sounds intense, that's because it is. This isn't your average camper. It's a mobile fortress built for those who want to dominate the terrain and live off the grid in total comfort and style. Let's kick things off with its design. At first glance, the Urban Tank looks like something out of a sci-fi action movie. It's rugged, aggressive, and built like a military-grade machine. The body features an armored aluminum alloy shell paired with ballistic-grade polycarbonate windows. That means it's not just resistant to the elements, it's practically indestructible. Massive off-road tires wrap around beadlock wheels, while the triple-axle 6x6 drivetrain gives this beast a commanding presence on any terrain from desert dunes to mountain trails and frozen tundras. Under the hood, the 2026 Urban Tank is powered by a turbocharged 7.0-liter V8 diesel engine, cranking out a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and over 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough to push this nearly 18,000-pound rig up steep inclines or through deep mud. It comes with a fully integrated air suspension system that adjusts ride height on the fly, and the all-wheel drive system features differential locks on all three axles, giving it true go-anywhere capability. Performance aside, this motorhome doesn't skimp on comfort. Inside, the Urban Tank feels like a luxury apartment fused with a high-tech command center. Step in, and you'll find a spacious interior finished in premium materials. Think marine-grade leather seating, carbon fiber trim, and soft touch panels. The layout includes a queen-size Murphy bed, a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop and smart fridge, and a modular dining area that converts into additional sleeping space. One standout feature is the bathroom. It's a full wet bath with a rain shower, heated floors, and even a water recycling system that filters and reuses gray water. This kind of efficiency is crucial for extended off-grid travel, and it's made possible thanks to the integrated 100-gallon freshwater tank, 80-gallon gray water tank, and a high-capacity solar power setup with a 20-kilowatt battery bank. Tech lovers, you're in for a treat. The 2026 Urban Tank comes equipped with a fully digital cockpit, satellite internet connectivity, 360-degree security cameras, and a drone launching bay on the roof for aerial scouting. You can control nearly every system from lighting to suspension to climate through a central touch screen or a mobile app. And speaking of the roof, it's not just there to hold solar panels. It also features a retractable observation deck, perfect for stargazing or wildlife watching. There's even an optional rooftop tent module, which expands sleeping capacity for larger groups or families. One of the most impressive parts of the Urban Tank is its autonomy. With Level 3 semi-autonomous driving, you can let the vehicle take over during long highway stretches or slow, technical off-road maneuvers. And if things get too wild, there's an emergency escape drone included that can transmit your location and guide rescue services to your coordinates. So who is this 6x6 monster really for? If you're someone who craves adventure, refuses to compromise on comfort, and wants the kind of vehicle that turns heads and crushes obstacles, the 2026 Urban Tank might just be your ultimate companion. It's a motorhome. It's an overland tank. And it's a statement. That's it for today's deep dive. Be sure to subscribe to Road Kings Vehicles for more wild overland rigs, 6x6 beasts, and off-grid adventures. Drop a comment and let us know, would you take the Urban Tank into the wild, or is this too much machine for your taste? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.